Want to turn your static photos into captivating video stories? Let's dive into how to animate your pictures in Capcut. First, open Capcut and tap on New Project to start a fresh canvas for your photo animation. Now, select the photos you want to animate from your gallery. You can choose as many as you like. Once you've picked them all, hit Add to import them into your project. You'll see your photos lined up in the timeline now. For the magic, tap on the first photo in your timeline. Look for the diamond-shaped keyframe icon at the bottom. Tap it. This sets your starting point. Now, move the playhead that white line a little bit further down the timeline. Then, pinch and zoom on the photo in the preview window. This creates the zoom effect. Capcut automatically adds another keyframe at this new zoom level. The software will smoothly transition between these 2 points. You can also pan. While adjusting the zoom, drag the photo around in the preview window to create a side or up and down movement. Add as many keyframes as you need to get your desired motion. Repeat this for each of your photos. Finally, explore Capcut's effects and transitions to add even more flair, and remember to adjust the duration of each clip for perfect timing. That's it. You've successfully animated your photos. Experiment with different zooms, pans, and durations to create truly unique and engaging content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.